Hello my friends, it is me, Lioness Huntress, and today I am going to be reacting to a highly requested video on my Facebook group. It's called SuriNoel K-Drama. So I will be putting the link below in the description. But before we start, look who I've got here! The newest addition to my Pusheen collection, Donut Pusheen. Isn't she just lovely? She's so soft and plush, squishy. She's a cushion. She's like a cushion. I'm not going to sit on her, obviously. She'll go way out of shape. So, I'm going to be cuddling her throughout this reaction, this highly requested reaction. So, let's get started. Got my Donut Pusheen in hand, got my Hot Wotsits in the other. So, let's get started. Oh, mommy! Her purring is just beautiful. Sorry. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? Oh my word, those little sweet bottles we used to have in the old days, where the bottle would be filled with sherbet, and they would have one of those little dummy things. One of those little dummy things. I can't remember the name, but I used to have them. I'd suck on them constantly. I like how chill this is. Oh, he loves his daddy. I bet you anything that's catnip. Noel only acts like that around catnip. Noel hit him!
Oh, matapang sound ah.
Yeah, that's definitely catnip. That's the only time Isn't Noel will fight over catnip. And it's like two guys having a fight over who takes the last pint of beer. I love how Noel's acting like he don't care. I love hearing her say it. It's like a little kitten. He's trying to stop her. I saw this once before, but that was ages ago. Wait, did Brown hiss? No, that was Suri. Oh, the voices do sound similar when they hiss. It's like a mom telling her rebellious teenager off. Was he trying to hiss? That he was trying to hiss? He is never hisses. Anything that's happening is his. Oh my words. Just giving his sister the death stare. I love it. It's just brother and sister fighting. Don't even sniff it. Whatever. Oh, now you're acting cute, mate. Oh. Oh, now you're content because you've got exactly what you wanted. You're still trying to go for the last pint, love. That was brilliant. I really like that one. But seriously, it never hisses. In fact, the only time I remember him hissing, it was during Chisun's first live stream when she first came to stay with the SuriNoel family.
또 이제 왔다 또. 이제. 아니?
Ah, that's where the gift came from. I love how he's exaggerating. Meerkat! Meerkat!
이제 배고파. 이제? 이제?
That is where it is. Got his famous meerkat pose from. Who else? Really? was a toy magpie, it's an actual magpie. Oh, there's a meme in here somewhere. Yes. I was just starting to think it's just exaggerating, but it's an actual magpie. Where is it on camera? Put it on camera. So. Oh. Ah, that's fine. That is so cute. I love that. Classic cat sitting on the windowsill. Enough? No, it's still there. It's probably a magpie's nest. No. Trying to protect their babies. I'm gonna watch one more and then gonna take a break. Oh, that's so cute. I'm sorry, yes, but sometimes you do need to give your phone. This is space, that's so cute. You know what? I'm gonna put a link to a GIF I actually made of Noel popping his head up like that, and I believe that was Saul's Yui. Now, well, I do know cats hate oranges. They hate the smell of oranges. I think it's because Sam is put.
잘 먹는다. 참 좋아해, 너울이.
It's not catnip.
아니야, 먹지도. 야, 먹지 마. 잘 먹어.
I do know Noel has an unusual taste for food. No. Are you kidding me? You really gonna feed me that? Get that away from me. You're not putting me on a diet. I love the way Suri just literally skipped away. As I thought, Noel has unusual taste. Are you doing this again? Actually shoots him. Still so cute. Oh, are we really doing this? If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button so you get notifications of when I next upload. I hope you like this video. Make sure you check out my Instagram, Lioness_Huntress, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!